Yo guys, what's up? In this video we are going to cover basically when things are hot and how they move. So let's go. Let's get started right into it. Sorry about the noise. It just quit as soon as I said that. There it is. Again, the roof is still being put on the new house. I still have not, my moving truck still has not come here, so I'm in like a beach chair in my living room. Yeah, not been the greatest week of all time, but we're still making money, so that's a good thing. We're going to go over this AXON right here, which is running. And I mean, it is actually moving, and it just created a new high, and then now it's falling back down. I'm going to show you guys my trade on this, actually. And I took one main one. It's actually right in here, and there's a reason for it. So we need to get, no, let me come back here. So I actually took a short. Yes, I know it's a little far off, but I actually made money on it, made good money on it. I actually shorted it up here in the 80s, or low 80s. I think it was like actually like high 70s is where my average was. And I did this because it made this lower high from here, and it did create a higher high from this one, but this is just like basically like a pullback. I felt like it was going to come from here and kind of drag down, and it actually did. This was just really a scalp. It was like 578, 577 is where I got in. I did cover right here, 562. So, I mean, I didn't make crazy profits, but I did make profits. This was really the line that I was wanting it to break, and it did break it, but I wasn't about to risk it, especially with this much volume and this just moving a whole lot. Because if you zoom out, this sucker has ran a lot today, over a point. And it's starting to fall again, but again, I'm not risking it. So really simple short trading. This one has been running for the past 2 days. Let's go pull up a 5-minute chart. 5 day, 5 minutes. And as you can see, it started here yesterday at $1.84. Now it's at $6.59, the high, and it's actually now at $6.24, $6.25. So we're gonna pull this up here. So when you have it running like this and just going absolutely nuts, if you got a little bit of a spread, now it doesn't have much because of how much volume and everybody's kind of playing it today. All eyes are kind of on it. When you see these plays, it's really hard not to make money in my opinion, because realistically you can go long, usually most of the time, and watch it go up as long as it's got a ton of volume. This one, it was just crazy. It basically was up pre-market, dipped hard, and popped back up. And when it pops back up like that, usually you know that people are watching it, ready for it to take off again. So this was really the main part of the trade on the 5-minute candles. I have this, you can see it on a 1-minute chart that it actually was moving and stuff. And there was like a support line right there, but that's okay. Kind of had it right in there. It's 580, I think. Heck, I don't even remember now. But really simple trade. I did short it. I could have made a whole lot more money going long, but I saw a downwards pattern, and the only reason I think it really went up and just took off and break the 610 high and everything, 607 high and everything, was because it short squeezed hard. Because at one point, I believe I looked and it had a short float that was really high at one point, and then when they start squeezing, those people are basically getting out of whatever they can, so the price starts going up, and that is what a short squeeze is, especially on low floats and stuff like that. I don't believe this is actually a low float. I think it's a mid cap. I'm not exactly 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that. It's been an hour since I took a trade, and since it's been 2-3 hours since I did research on it this morning, and I do this every day with a new stock usually. So with that being said, my other trade was actually pre-market, and I covered way too early once again. But again, guys, taking profits is not a bad thing. I actually got short right in here at this 330 level. 329 is where I had this support line kind of, and when it broke it, I kind of knew it was going to fall. I literally just took profits as soon as the market opened pretty much, at around the $3 range. So 30 cents a share, and that gave me a great cushion. And when they start falling like this, I'm not really too worried. I have a market When I short, sometimes I'll put a market order like where I can click it and automatically get out if it starts getting out of the hand. Just to basically cut my losses really quickly at 10 cents is basically like my max stop loss. I don't want to lose more than 10 cents a share, especially when I go size in and stuff like that. But as you can see, when we got some big bids and stuff like that now, it's really not moving that much though. So with that being said, guys, I want to keep this video really short because the roofers just not been my week, it seems like, in life, other than I've been doing decent trading. But with that being said, please subscribe if you want to learn more. Like this video, it really does help if you guys want more information. I'll see you guys in the next one.